Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mazda 2, stock reference number 5841. This shape ran from the 6th of 2005 to the 8th of 2007. It is a DY 4-cylinder 1.5 litre petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have our DY 4-cylinder 1.5 litre petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, faded, needs a polish. Left guard, no dents. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim with good tyre. Left-hand mirror. Left front door, 2 dents down here. Good private. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Gear stick. Heater AC controls. 6-stack CD player. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor.